Yeah, can't come soon enough, can it? Now, next, Facebook insists it works flat out to take down offensive content, but when it comes to tracking down far more sinister accounts linked to ISIL, for instance, there seems to be a problem. A study by an anti-extremism think tank has found hundreds of accounts have evaded detection by exploiting technologies and loopholes, allowing them to stay active for months. One technique, something called content masking, by mixing pro-ISIL material in with videos of genuine content from real news outlets like BBC and the France 24 and a number of others. Some videos were edited to begin with content that on the face of it seemed innocuous or bland, but then it changed. ISIL sympathisers also infiltrated comment threads to share links to known jihadi sites, and they coordinated raids on other Facebook pages, including the US military too. Now, the report says the accounts also gloated about being able to so-called game the system. Researchers found almost 300 pro-ISIL accounts managed to slip past Facebook's moderators. The site says it's got zero tolerance for terrorist propaganda, indeed has now removed those posts, those accounts. But internet law expert Yair Cohen says it doesn't take much for harmful content to achieve its goal.
Online indoctrination is extremely dangerous. There are people who are addicted to the material, and the more they watch it, the more brainwashed they become. And it is effectively a vicious cycle there. So it is extremely dangerous. Anyone who is slightly susceptible to being brainwashed, which is pretty much every teenager or every growing adult who have, a few problems and issues in life, it is enough for them to watch a couple of those videos to start becoming brainwashed. And after that, they just keep watching and watching and watching. And then you end up with young people being indoctrinated and effectively become the next generation of ISIS fighters.